The video is about removing fake human verification alerts that are related to the site odessclub.com. Some people see such pop-ups by odessclub.com. Truly, these pop-ups are fake and deceptive. As you see, they try to mislead users into clicking on allow button, supposedly to help users prove that they're humans and not robots. If people mistakenly do that and click on allow, their browser gets definitely hijacked and infected. To click on allow is definitely a mistake, but it can be easily fixed. For this goal to become possible, access the menu of your browser, go to Settings, click on Privacy and Security, Site Settings, go down to Permissions, click on Notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Remove this odessclub.com from this list. Now, to be convinced that your system is free of any other threats, we strongly advise that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and start examining your system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.